What a beautiful morning in the jungle.
The flowers smell so sweet today.
They really do, Leo.
I love mornings like this. Perfect day for adventure.
Adventure? That sounds fun already!
Friends, come quickly!
Friends! Hooray!
What happened, Momo? Why are you shouting? Oh, why are you chatting?
It shows something hidden deep in the jungle. Look! I found this old map near the waterfall.
Wow, a treasure map! Ellie, are you okay?
What did you find?
A big adventure!
Let's find this treasure together.
Momo, yes, I love treasure hunts.
We must stay together and help each other.
Don't worry, friends. I will lead the way.
I will watch from the trees.
This way, everyone. Stay close.
And I will make sure everyone stays safe.
Woohoo! Adventure ahead!
Oh no! The river is too wide. I can't jump across.
Don't worry, Momo. We're in this together.
Don't worry. Climb on my back.
You are very strong and kind.
Hold tight, friends. We will cross safely.
So, where should we go next? This way. Follow me.
Yay, adventure!
We need to find a dark cave.
A dark cave? Lead on.
I'm with you. Hey, everyone. I found a cave.
A cave? Let's go see. All right, lead the way.
This cave looks very dark. I hear strange sounds inside.
Stay close. I will protect you.
Look! The giant tree from the map, and something is under the roots.
It looks like a treasure box.
Let me open it! I am so excited!
Huh? There is no gold or jewels? Only colorful seeds?
The real treasure is helping you.
That is a special treasure.
Look, the flowers are growing already. And fruit trees too. Many animals are coming to enjoy the jungle.
Friends, this is the best treasure ever! We helped the jungle grow!
And we helped many animals find food.
True treasure is not gold or jewels. It is helping others and protecting nature.